Hey Barry, Buzzman Awning here. Biggest question we get is why does my Buzzman retractable awning keep retracting in every 30 minutes or so? Answer is very simple. Let's go ahead and show you. It's the Somfy digital wireless wind sensor. You got to change the batteries, the two AAA batteries, one time per year. Let's show you how to do that. Cup it with your left hand. Make a fist with your right. Knock it off, okay? Comes off. Okay, now you see that there's a notch here on the back side, only on one end, not on the other. Pry it open with a little screwdriver or a knife, and you go ahead and take that out. You'll see there's a circuit board. Circuit board is here, two AAA batteries here. Let's take these out. These are the old ones. Let's put in new ones. We recommend the lithium, the two AAA lithium batteries. They won't leak out the battery acid like the alkaline batteries tend to do. You'll notice that the springs are on the same side, but there is a plus and a minus, a positive and negative, indicating which way these batteries go. Positive, positive. When you put in the second battery, you're going to see a little red or green light on the circuit board light up. It lights up for about 1 second, turns off. That means the batteries are seated in properly. Negative to negative. Put that in. Little light comes on, goes off. Let's put it back. All right, it only goes in one way. Snap it in. Let's go ahead and put it back. You'll notice it's upside down. No, we need it right side up. Center it right here on its bracket, but then you move it a little to the left so that it gets seated. The little tabs need to be seated, and then you knock it on. And it clips on, and that's really it. One time per year, the Somfy digital wireless wind sensor communicates with the motor every 30 minutes, okay?